Hello, 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 aloha, hola, welcome to my channel. Nice question. Now, we need to use equation in this question as the first glance. I immediately take the difference of two squares. Okay, so let's start. Rule 1. A minus B square equals A square minus 2AB plus B square. Then x power 4 minus x minus 4 in bracket power 4 equals 0. Then x square minus x minus 4 in bracket square, then square equals 0. Rule 1. X square minus x minus 4 square times x square plus x minus 4 square equals 0. Then x square minus then rule 2 a square minus b square equals a minus b, a plus b. Yes. Rule 2. Then rule 1. X square minus 2 4x plus 4 square x square plus x square minus 2 4x plus 4 square equals 0. X square minus x square minus 8x plus 16 times x square plus x square x 8x plus 16 equals 0. Hop. Hey, my friends, are you there? Hola.
Oh my
X square
God.
minus x square minus plus 8x minus plus minus 16 times x square plus x square minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. 8x minus 16 x square but 2 minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. 0 or 0. First, 8x minus 16 equals 0. 8x equals 16 divided by 8 implies x2, x number 1. Yes. Oops. Then 2x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 0. Divided by 2 x squared minus 4x plus 8 equals 0. Then rule 3. A x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Delta equals b squared minus 4ac. X number 1, number 2, minus b plus minus the square root of delta over 2a. Then a, look at this, 1, b minus 4, and c plus 8. Oops. Delta equals minus 4 squared minus 4a1 c8 equals delta 16 minus 32 equals minus 16 smaller than 0. Yes. X number 2, number 3 minus b plus minus the square root of delta over 2a equals b minus 4 minus 4 plus minus the square root of delta writing minus 16 over 2a 1 2 equals minus plus 4 plus minus the square root of minus 16 over 2. Yes, minus 1 square root of 2.
Oh my God.
Equals I equals 4 plus minus 4i equals, be careful, 2
Oh, thank you so much.
equals 4 over 2 plus minus 4i 2 equals 2 plus minus 2i. Then x2 equals 2 plus 2i, x number 3, 2 minus 2i. X number 1, look at this, x number 1, yes, x number 1 and 2, yes, answer, great job, thank you for watching, goodbye.